Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to add a bank account in Neteller. Adding a bank account to your Neteller account is quick and easy. Here's how you can do it. But remember, you must have sufficient funds in your account to proceed with certain actions. Don't worry, just follow my instructions and it will be done in no time. Once logged into your Neteller account, navigate to the Money Out or Bank Accounts section from the menu. Click on the Click on Add Bank Account to start the process. Now, fill in your bank details including the account holder's name, account number, and any other required information like IBN or SWIFT code, depending on your location. After entering all the details, double check the information and click Save or Confirm. Neteller may require verification for the added bank account. If prompted, follow the instructions to complete the verification process, such as uploading documents or confirming a small deposit. That's it. Your bank account is now linked to your Neteller account, making it easier to withdraw or transfer funds anytime. Remember, just follow the steps as I guide you, and you will be all set. Thanks for watching.